Out of all the accents I do, what's my favorite? Did you say South African? Well, I'm not doing it. That's amazing. My favorite one to do is a South African accent. I just wake up every day speaking in another accent, then I choose. What is my favorite to do? That's an interesting. It depends. Depends where I am. Every time I go to a new country, I discover a new accent that I enjoy. It's actually a shortcut that I use for learning languages. So, because people don't realize this, if you want to learn languages, there are two things you have to understand. One, language is mostly about rhythm. And two, you have to be willing to be an idiot to learn a new language. That's what slows most people down. Like kids, that's why kids learn languages so quickly. They mimic everything you say. You know, so you'll be like, don't touch that. Then they'll be like, da da da. And you're like, don't touch, da da da. And you know what I mean? They're not like, I'm not saying it correctly. They just keep speaking. So what I try and do, that's how I learn languages, is I start with the accent, and then you learn the intonation. So it depends. I'm trying to think. I think Nigerian is one of my favorites. I love the Nigerian accent. Because like the Nigerian accent does to English what English desperately needs. Like English is a very stiff, sort of boring language, you know. It's just like, hello, my name is Trevor. You know, if in English you're just like, did you see the traffic outside? It was really bad, and you know what I mean. And then like when Nigerians come inside, did you see that traffic outside? Huh? Are you talking about that thing? Can you believe something like that? Huh? It's like you know. And like Nigerians have the best metaphors and similes that they'll throw in. They'll be like, the irritable bowel syndrome of 9th Avenue traffic, huh? It's a beautiful, beautiful thing.
Àìmọ́fá la wòkè afákà ó ṣe nípara. Àìgbọ́fá la wòkè afákà ó ṣe nípara. Ikú tí ó bá bẹ́ni lórí lọ ó ta fìlà dànù. The professor should know too that the modern world, Paleolithic and Neolithic. The professor should know too that the modern world, Paleolithic and Neolithic, both was formed from the Igbo words Palerike and malerike. Papa, Pale, meaning old father or father, while Male, mama, it simply means old mother or mother. Paleolithic and Neolithic is Palerike, Paletike, and malerike, maletike.